Welcome to Alikare, and I'm Thea, and I'm here with the next beauty video. Now I'm gonna tell you of some things that you should never use on your face and reason why. If you want to keep your skin very smooth, wrinkle free, moist and refreshing and irritated free, do not use alcohol on your face. When you can use alcohol on your body, it's good, but alcohol dry out your pores, leave your skin irritated, especially if you have acne. Less alcohol on your skin is better. And also, your face needs a natural oil to keep it from breaking out. And alcohol also can leave your pores that is open, irritated, and hard to close. Number 2, bar soap. Bar soap is not good to use on your face. In Jamaican or native language, you will call it cake soap. It dry out your pores, your skin, and it dry out your pores. It also give you wrinkles and fine lines. And if you go in the sun, you will get sunburn easily. If you go to any form of sea, you will also get your skin darker than it is before if you use bar soap. Petroleum oil. Petroleum oil clog your pores and also leave your pores irritated because of it's not fighting against the natural oil, and you want your pores to breathe so all toxin can come from your pores. Keep it clean and moist free. So most people are moving makeup and they use oil to clean off the makeup. They will use petroleum oil, or if they have a pimple, they will put the oil on their face. Some people have very dry skin and they use petroleum oil because what that oil does, it keeps your skin very soft. So they believe that if you use it on other parts of your body, you can use it on the face. Does not clean out the pores properly. The oil will clog your pores. When you put on your makeup also, it will look very oily. So do not use petroleum oil to clean off your makeup or to rub on your face. Sunblock cream. I do recommend people to don't use sunblock cream. Use natural remedy like aloe vera. Aloe vera is a good sunblock cream. Most people expect to put on aloe vera and it lets your skin look fairer. No, and if you bleach your skin, I'm not saying tone, but bleach your skin, because what happened, the aloe vera does not protect your skin. If you bleach your skin, what it does, it protects your natural tone. So if you're expected to bleach your skin, go in the salt water and expect to come out looking brown just the same. That won't happen because the salt is stronger than the aloe vera, so it still bring back your skin to its natural tone, which is dark. Because most people don't understand that if you tone or bleach your skin and you go in salt water with seawater, you will return dark immediately. And sunblock cream also is cancerous. I do not believe it have too much properties that cause cancer, some kind of cancer. So I do not recommend people using sunblock cream on their skin. You can research that or ask your dermatologist if you decide that you want a sunblock cream to use on your face, but I do not recommend it. I recommend using aloe vera gel. That is really good for you, and stay away out of the sun. And if you realize that the sun is irritating your skin. The reason why you should not use these things on your face, especially if you have oily skin. These are not recommended. Oily skin and acne, and if you have open pores. If you have this kind of skin, please do not use any of these on your skin. If you want healing, a better looking skin, and to stay acne and irritated skin free. Thank you for watching. This is Alikare, and this is one of our beauty updates. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more video, and share it with your friends and family.